Hi guys, how are you today morning? Good morning. Today we will discuss some mythological subjects which are directly or indirectly connected to the Kundalini and the chakras. There is a mythological story in which it is said that Lord Vishnu had two bodyguards who were stationed at the entrance of Lord Vishnu's palace. These two were called Jaya and Vijaya. These two did their duty very dutifully and efficiently and never allowed any unnecessary visitor to disturb Lord Vishnu or his consort. One day, while these two bodyguards were on duty, they suddenly saw four very tiny tots running towards them. These two bodyguards were surprised. What are these tiny tots doing here? The tots came to these people and stopped. One of them said, "We want to see Lord Vishnu." The bodyguards, the huge fellows, looked at these four kids benignly and said, "Babies, you are too young to meet the Lord. Go out and play elsewhere." These four were actually the four Kumaras: Sanat Kumara, Sanaka Kumara, Sanatana Kumara, and Sadananda Kumara. These four were looking like tiny tots, but actually, right from their birth, they were highly spiritual siddhas who had reached a very high level in spirituality. When the giants, the bodyguards, refused permission to these four children to go and visit Lord Vishnu, the four got angry and they said thus, "Because you have denied us permission to meet the Lord, please go and take birth in the material world." The two bodyguards, Jaya and Vijaya, were not only upset but also angry at such a curse from four tiny tots. Jaya and Vijaya went to Lord Vishnu and told him, "How is it possible that we, your bodyguards, who have been dutifully doing our work, were cursed by these four babies? Please explain and tell us why we should be cursed like this." Lord Vishnu smiled benignly. He said that this is not a curse. Actually, this is a boon. You too have always been asking me to retire you from your bodyguard's position and to bring you back into me. The two bodyguards agreed. God said, the time has come for you to come back to me. The two were very happy. Then Lord Vishnu told the two bodyguards, for this you have two alternatives. The bodyguards said, what are they? Lord Vishnu told them, either you become demons, live for 3 births, get killed by me, and then come back to me. The two bodyguards asked Lord Vishnu, what is the other boon? He said, or you live as demigods for 7 births, and then after the 7 births are over, you come back to me. The two bodyguards chose the 3 births of a demon to 7 births of a demigod. Lord Vishnu laughed when he heard about this decision of the two bodyguards. Why Lord Vishnu laughed at them, we will talk in my next video. If you like this story, kindly subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that I can inform you about my next videos. Please pardon me for any error in appearance, diction, spelling, grammar, etc. because while talking to you about spiritualism and materialism, I am only concentrating on the subject and not on these frivolous things. We shall talk about another thing in spiritualism in my next video. Till then, it is goodbye.